Alright, so in this video, I'm talking about how I stay productive, stay focused, and get shit done throughout the day. Watch this video, learn my methods, take away something from this, and make that money, boys. Alright guys, I'm back with a video. It's your boy Parikchhit, aka Splashman. Today, as I said, it's a different video. We're talking about focus, staying productive, getting a lot of shit done. As you guys know, I talked in my old video about paradox of freedom when you're an entrepreneur. So when you're an entrepreneur, you have this thing called freedom, but it's not really, it actually fucks with you because you think you're free and you start fucking up, you start not doing shit, you start waking up late, you start sleeping in, you start procrastinating. So that's why you have to stay focused, stay productive, because at the end of the day, if you're not making money, if you're not scaling, if you're not progressing your business, then you're a loser. Not only that, it's just something you should not, it's not something you should be doing. So in this video, I'll tell you some of the methods that I use to stay more productive and some of the methods that I've been using recently that have just 10x my productivity. And I'm not saying this just to I don't know, it's not an understatement. It really has changed a lot of things for me. So I want to share it with you guys and, just help you guys out, because I know these type of videos are the videos that I like to make. I love e-commerce. I love making those type of videos. But to be honest with you guys, I love talking about productivity and just life and just mastery in general like this, right? So I'm excited to get this video out to you guys, so let's get started. So I'm gonna talk about 3 things, okay? So 3 things to really get a lot of shit done and get focused. So the first one, okay, is this thing right here. So I recently got this new journal. It's called an Epic Planner. If you guys actually want an Epic Planner, it's in the description. Check it out. It's an affiliate link, of course. You help me out, But this Epic Planner right here, ever since I got it, I've been more productive because, you guys can't really see it, but here you talk about the priority thing you have to get done today and some other things you have to get done. You have an idea box, you have a place where you can write notes, and you have a schedule right here where you can plan out your day. So actually I do this before, a day before, the night before, I'll actually plan out my day. And also here it says, hey, what are you grateful for today? So you write that down. And right here it says, there's a morning checklist. So did you drink your water? Did you work out? Did you meditate? Did you give love to others? Did you eat breakfast? And then there's a night routine as well. Did you check your email? Did you read notes, phone off, checklist? Did you get everything done? But overall, this planner has basically just helped me, stay focused on my priority tasks, man. It's all right, what do I need to get done today? What are my goals? What is that one thing that will help me towards my goals? And overall, guys, it's just been a game changer for me. And also, not only that, you can review your quarters, you can review your week. So right here, there's a note for the week, and right here, this is where you can review your week 3 review, and then weekly list. So what I'm going to do for the next week. So I've only had this for 3 weeks and it's already made a big impact on how I work throughout the day. So yeah, if you guys actually want, grab it. These are a bit expensive, but I got the 4-pack one. So if you buy 4 of them, I think it's cheaper. I just bought a year's supply of it this last 90 days. So I just bought a year's supply of it because fuck it, right? And I know that I'll use this and it's been helping me a lot, so I grabbed 4 of them. But yeah, the link is in the description, check it out. But that's tip number 1, get a journal. You don't have to get this journal, but get a journal where you can write down your tasks and just be more clear of your day. And as a side note, plan your day before the actual day. So before the night before, plan out what you're gonna do throughout the day, because in the morning you just want to be executing, you don't want to be thinking. So the second thing that has been helping me a lot stay productive and just been focused on my tasks recently is actually creating a routine. So having a daily routine is just like a little template, right, that you can use every day, and it basically just what has helped me with is basically just be aware of what I have to get done at what time. So my routine looks something like this. I wake up at 6:50, go to the gym at 7, work out till 8:30, come back, cold shower, meditate, and read from 9 to 10. And that's just my morning routine. But you see right there, what happens is when I have a routine, I actually block out time for some of my stuff. So 9 to 10, I'm always reading. And before, when I didn't have an actual routine, I didn't read because I forgot to, right? So with this actual routine, I'm actually reading, I'm getting shit done, and then I have a work work session from 10 to 1, then a lunch break, and then back from there to 2 to 6 or whatever. Modify it the way you want to. I still go to school, so sometimes it's harder for me to do all of this stuff, but I'm still doing it. So yeah, you should not have any excuses. Create a fucking routine, guys. It'll change your life. And when you're taking a break, you won't feel bad because you know that you deserve that break. And also my night routine, I stop at 8 o'clock, then I chill from 8 to 10, and I head to bed at 11. So that's my morning routine, or not my morning routine. That's just my day routine. Create a routine for yourself. I learned this from Sam Ovens. He's the fucking GOAT. So watch this video. Let me know what you think about it and create a routine for yourself. And the third tip, and I think this tip is like, oh my God, it's such a game changer to everyone, and it's the most simplest shit, but we don't do it, all right? So let's talk about this thing right here, the phone, all right? So I'm actually recording the audio for this video on this phone, but this phone will make you a lot of money and will also fuck your whole life up. Speaking of that, what I mean by this is your phone, you know, if you use it correctly, so I use Instagram as like for my personal brand, and I use like Facebook and all that good stuff, but this shit is good, but like if you honestly, man, you can get so caught up in that shit that you will lose focus, you will stop getting work done, you'll be caught up on some bullshit. And honestly, like you know, they say Instagram is an app that is really bad for your mental health, and I agree with that. A lot of people, they're sometimes posting fake shit, or they only post good things, so when you go on it, you just see people's good side. You don't really see the struggle or anything like that, right? So a tip I can also give you, a side tip, is mute everyone. So I have a lot of people muted, only some people not muted, right? I don't follow Instagram models anymore, I don't follow any of these pages anymore, and that's just because you know, I want to like save my focus and my mental energy, and I don't want to be overthinking about a lot of stuff, and I don't want to get sad over looking at other people's stories. So trust me, guys, when you're working, throw your phone away, mute people on Instagram, delete some apps you don't need, and just stay focused, all right? So, and I'm gonna be honest, guys, all right? I still struggle with this. I'm still working on it every day. One of the best things I do sometimes is leave my phone in my apartment, and I go to the lounge room in my actual, like, you know, apartment complex, and I just work, and I get so much shit done because I'm not on my phone, constantly getting distracted. Because what we tend to do is we just go out and check our phone for a little bit, but then we get off task, right? So it takes a while for us to get back on to track. And you know, another thing with that is turn off notifications unless it's money notifications. So yeah, guys, your phone can be your best friend but also your worst enemy, so watch out for that. Overall, guys, those are my tips on staying productive, staying focused, getting a lot of shit done, and overall just enjoying life, getting this money. All right, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Leave it down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this video. And overall, guys, have a great day. Enjoy your day. The next video I'm about to make is such a banger. I've been waiting to make this next video. It's going to be actually like a proper video, so yeah, look out for that. But overall, guys, have a great day. Enjoy your day. Subscribe. My Instagram is @SplashmanPB, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.